Are you tired of high electricity bills in Germany and want to take control of your energy expenses?
Yes!
Then look no further. Our electricity comparison calculator for Germany is here to help you.
Okay.
So hi and welcome to How to Abroad, and today we're going to discuss electricity comparison calculator in Germany, and we will learn how to use this and what will be the benefits of using it.
Yes! 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 Yes!
In today's world where every penny counts, finding the right energy provider and tariff can make a significant difference in your monthly expenses. Our user-friendly tool makes it easy to compare electricity plans, ensuring that you get the best deal for your needs. Several German companies provide electricity services. These companies offer a range of energy solutions to meet the diverse needs of consumers in Germany. What are the benefits of using this calculator? Number one, save money. When there is an option to compare the plans from different companies, then you will get the chance to choose the best plan for yourself. In this way, you can reduce your monthly bills. Number two, go green. If you're environmentally conscious, you can use the calculator to find electricity plans that offer renewable energy sources, helping you reduce your carbon footprints. Number three, transparent information. We provide you with all the essential information you need to make an informed decision, rates, contact details, and customer reviews. Number four, convenience. Our user-friendly interface and step-by-step process make it simple to find and switch to a better electricity plan. But how to use this calculator? Step 1. Enter your details. Begin by entering some basic information about your location, current electricity usage, and preferences. Our calculator will use this data to tailor its recommendations to your specific needs. Step 2. Compare providers. The calculator will then analyze a database of electricity providers in your area. Considering factors such as rates, contract terms, and renewable energy options, it will present you with a list of providers and their plans. Step 3. Customer search. You can further refine your search by filtering results based on your priorities. Whether you are looking for the cheapest plan, a green energy option, or a specific contract length, our calculator has you covered. Step 4. Get savings estimated. See how much you can potentially save by switching to different electricity plan. The calculator will provide estimated monthly and yearly savings, allowing you to make an informed decision. Step 5. Easy switching. Once you have found the ideal electricity plan, our calculator make it easy to start the switching process. You can complete the switch right from our platform. It will be the hassle-free and saving your time. This is all about electricity comparison calculator in Germany. So if you have any query, any question, any doubt, you can just ask in the comment box. And if you like this content, please click on the like button and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Till then, tata, bye bye, and yes, right, take care.